Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Now guys, before we get into this video, let me first say happy fall. Yay! Happy autumn, fall, whichever you prefer to say. So yes, that is sweater weather for me, so I pulled out one of my sweaters to go along with my fall decor for this part one in my fall home tour. Yay! So yes guys, I'm going to be showing you all part one in my fall home tour, and this video is in collaboration with one of my YouTube friends here. Her name is Robin Johnson. I will have Robin's channel linked in my description box down below, as well as the playlist of all of the participants. Robin did gather up several of us YouTubers to share with you all our home for the fall. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what I've done so far. So I say this is part one because I've not completely finished my entire home. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my front yard, front porch, the entryway where I am here now, the home office, our guest powder room, and our family room upstairs. So if you guys are interested in seeing those areas of my home and how I have them all decorated for fall, then just keep watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. It helps my channel continue to grow. It tells YouTube that you guys enjoy this content, and it lets me know that as well. Also, be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about everything, what I've done so far. And also remember that I will have part 2 to this fall home tour coming up very soon, where we'll see the living room, the kitchen, and my back patio. So you want to be sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you have your notification bell clicked so that you won't miss any videos. Alrighty guys, again, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me say a huge thank you so much to Robin for hosting this collaboration. Be sure to check my description box down below for her channel, as well as the link to the playlist of all of the participants. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. Guys, also we are on a push to get to 25,000 subscribers, and we are so close. So be sure to share this video and any of my videos with all of your friends and family members and let them know to go ahead and subscribe if they are interested in all things home decor, because I totally am. Alrighty guys, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.